My name is Diego Enriquez. We're here with ALIV Worldwide, and we're going through the entire bags that we have packed for you guys. We're super excited to have you guys on tour with us. So we want to make sure that obviously you know that we pack everything for you except quite literally your underwear. So we have a mixture of moto gear and we have a mixture of road/adventure gear that we do provide for you guys while on the tour. And also, if you're doing the pre-training tour, we do pack that in here for you as well. So you don't need to bring any of your own stuff. If you have some protective gear for yourself you'd like, more than welcome to. But for the most part, like I said, we provide everything for you except your underwear. Now, let's kind of dive into these. Starting here, we've got your actual motocross helmet. So going into what is provided is we've got goggles for you here. Coming in, pulling the helmet out, we've got our brand new helmets for you. Setting that aside, and then we also give you guys branded gloves to go with everything. Now moving towards the main bag, we're gonna start at the top and work our way down. So here in the big top pocket, we've got now our adventure helmets. So these are gonna be the ones that you wear on the street. They've got nice face shields. They've got sun visors come up and down for you. And we've also got street gloves for you. In here, now this is more going to be geared towards when it is a little bit colder. We do provide neck gaiters for you guys. Kind of helps keep the neck warm just a bit. Moving towards the big middle pocket here, it's going to be just about all of your actual gear. So the jackets we're going to be providing is going to be based off of the kind of the seasonal, what the temperature is going to be coming for the tour. So it's a little bit colder currently. We're providing a little bit thicker of jackets. So go ahead and pull these on out. We're getting into the protective gear here. So we've got knee pads for you. These will be sized based off of kind of your height, your weight, and more just your overall sizing. Also give you chest protectors. Want to make sure the vital organs stay nice and safe. Moving on through. Again, it is a bit colder this time of year, so we do provide base layers as well. This is going to be more like a leggings type of thing. And then we've got long shirts for you as well here. Coming through, sticking with street gear, we do have t-shirts, nice iron resin jerseys here. Moving on. Also, iron resin, nice thick pants. These will help keep you warm, help keep you protected just in case you do go down. Obviously, that is not the goal. Now moving on towards the actual moto gear we do have in here. We'll go ahead and pull on a jersey out for you. Again, these are going to be based on sizes that you do give us. We are going to have spares just in case something doesn't fit right. If it's a little small, if it's a little big, we have extras just in case. All right. And next will be our actual Moto Pants. Nice and beautiful, fresh and clean. We'll kind of shove these back in here, kind of keep this video rolling. Going into this bottom section here is where all of your boots are going to be. So here we've got our Supercross socks. So these are going to be nice kind of thigh highs so that once we do get these knee pads on, they stay underneath, keep you away from rashes, keep kind of more protected, also a bit more sanitary as well. Coming in, get these out of here. We do provide 2 pairs of these because we are riding in the dirt for 2 days. Up top, we're going to see our nice adventure boots. These are going to be what you're wearing on the street. We also do provide separate socks for those as well. And then under that, lastly, we have our nice, beautiful Moto Boots. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you on tour.